Welcome to this video. Today I am introducing Xcelerate, your no-code companion to simplify and supercharge your data workflows in Excel. Xcelerate is a powerful Microsoft COM add-in built to automate your extract, transform, and load ETL process. No programming required. Designed with simplicity in mind, it's a true citizen developer tool that anyone familiar with Excel can start using right away. Why Xcelerate? No code needed. Just select, configure, and automate. Faster execution, reduce manual effort, and save time. Cost effective and scalable, perfect for individuals and team alike. Key features: extract data from Microsoft Excel, CSV, text, and MS Access. Transform data to match your exact needs. Output to various formats like Excel, CSV, text, or MS Access database. Email the final files directly via Outlook right from Excel. So with Xcelerate, you can configure your workflow once and run it anytime. Avoid errors with rule-based automation. Then log every action for complete transparency and MIS accuracy. And get a real-time views of your task and output. So let's get started. Go to www.xexo.com and then click on downloads. Here you will get a button, download Xcelerate. Once you click on download Xcelerate button, fill the required details to download the installer and get the license key over the email. So the name of the licensee is Xexo, then email of the licensee in which you will receive the license details, contact @xexo.com, contact number, need to put your contact number, select your country and click on license type. Here there are two options. First is subscription. Select on subscription and click on submit, and Xexo team will reach out to you for license details. If you want to try first for 30 days free trial period, you need to select trial free for 30 days and click on submit button. The moment you click on submit button, the installer will get download in your download folder. Let's go to download folder. This is my installer. I'll double click on it. I'll click on more info and run. I'll get an option. I'll click on I agree to the terms and conditions and click on proceed. After clicking on proceed button, I'll get an option to install and don't install. I'll click on install and that's it. Now let me open my Excel. I'll open a fresh Excel. So once you have installed the Xcelerate tool, in your Microsoft Excel, you'll get one more ribbon called Xcelerate. As of now, all the buttons are disabled because I haven't activated the license. Let's go to the Outlook. And yeah, meanwhile, I have already received my license details just now. I'll use my license key. I'll click on activate license. I'll select license type as trial. I'll put license key. I'll enter my email ID And if you see, my expiry date is 15th May, which is 1 month from now. Now I'll click on activate. And all set, license activated successfully. So once the license is verified and activated, you'll be able to see all the ribbons are enabled. Now all features in the ribbons are fully unlocked. So to manage your license easily or to transfer to your colleague, you can click on surrender license if you want to deactivate, and use check for update to always stay up to date. If you click on info button, I'll be able to see this is my license key and when it is getting expired, and my license type is trial as of now. So need help in configuring your automation? Watch our step-by-step tutorials on extract, transform and load available on our YouTube channel. For technical support, email us at contact@xexo.com. So basically, Xcelerate is a very powerful automation with zero complexity. Subscribe for more tutorials and start automating your data task today.